Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and send invoices in PayPal. First of all, log into your PayPal account. Once you are in, go to the top menu and click the pay or get paid option, pay and get paid option. From here, then create and select, then select create and manage invoices. Under the invoicing section, you can also go directly to paypal.com /invoice. Now click create new, then select invoice. You will see a professional invoice form ready to customize. Here's what you will need to fill out. Bill to enter your client name and email. Just and enter email and click add. Name is added. If you can see mobile preview, email preview, like that. Invoice number, or then item name, like uh, chair, then add quantity, price, then select the currency like USD. Add a short description, but it optional, then click add. Now click note and asset attachments tab. Invoice number automatically generated, but you can change it. Add note for your customer, then select due date, set when payment is expected, click due date. Now edit the invoice number like that, then invoice date, then due. From due section, click on receipt, then click save. Yes, good. Item details, write item details here. Add what you are charging for product or service. You can add text or discount from here. Click um, add payment terms. Then add a thank you message or payment instruction. in note and attachments tab, like thank you, sir, and look like that. You can download it from here, then select download, or you can print it from here. You can make invoice more professional with these options. Click more option, add or edit logo section, then add logo, then choose your logo from here, then business name like online shop, your first and last name, edit from here. You can add website link, text ID, and additional information, then click save. When you are done editing, click preview. If everything looks good, click send. PayPal emails invoice. PayPal emails the invoice directly to your client with a secure payment link. You can also choose to share a link if you want to send the invoice through WhatsApp, email, or Messenger yourself. In your invoice dashboard, you can see which invoices are sent, paid, or overdue. Send reminders to clients, duplicate invoices for repeat jobs, and download PDFs for your record. Just click on downloads icon and track payments directly in your PayPal. And that's it. You now know how to create and send invoices using PayPal like a pro. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a video on how to set up recurring invoices or track taxes with PayPal. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.